Hello everyone, I'm Nandana from Indiahikes. Today I'm going to talk about a very important point that every Indiahikes trekker goes through. That is how to book a trek on Indiahikes website. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of completing your booking on Indiahikes website, starting from registering on our website to selecting a date and of course completing the booking. Before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more such videos. Let me take you through how to book an Indiahikes trek. Once you go to Indiahikes website, on the top right corner, you will see a profile icon. Click on it and you will see two different sections. On the left side, if you are a registered trekker, just give your email ID password to log in. If you haven't registered on Indiahikes website before, give all the necessary details that are shown here and create an account. The next one is, once you choose any trek, go to the trek page. Here you will see the calendar with all the available dates of the trek. Once you click on the trek date, there is an option to proceed to register. Click on it. It will take you to 4 steps of registration process. Here you will have all the terms and conditions of going on an Indiahikes trek. Read through it clearly, and once you go through them, click on accept and proceed to the next step. This is where you will have to recheck your trek date. If you have to change the trek date, click on that date and proceed to next step. This is where you can add any participants. For example, your family or friends, if they are joining, you can add their details here. On the left side, you can add the already registered email ID. If they are not registered, again you can create their account from the right side section. After this, proceed to the last step, that is the payment stage. Over here, just cross-check the trek date, the number of participants, the total amount of trek fee you have to pay, and click on make payment. Once you make the payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Along with that, you will be able to see your upcoming trek on your personal Indiahikes dashboard. I hope this step-by-step video gave you clarity on how to book an Indiahikes trek. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments below. This is Nandana from Indiahikes.